Hello! In this video, we will show you how to descale your Nescafé Dolce Gusto Jovia. We recommend descaling Jovia every 3 months, or if you see that the power button has turned orange. You can buy the Nescafé Dolce Gusto Durgal Descaling Kit on our web shop. Pour the full bottle of descaling solution into 500 milliliters of drinking water. Make sure the water tank is empty. Pour the descaling solution into the water tank and reinsert it. Take the rinsing tool. It helps drive the water flow during the descaling process. If you don't have it, don't worry. You can still descale Jovia. Reinsert the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Remove the drip tray. Use a container to collect the water. Make sure that the machine is off and hold the power button down for at least 5 seconds until it blinks orange. It will keep blinking throughout the process. Move the lever to the hot position. Wait until the water tank is half empty. Then move the lever back to the stop position. For maximum descaling effect, wait for 2 minutes. Move once again the lever to the hot position. And wait until the water tank has emptied. Then move the lever back to the stop position. For maximum descaling effect, wait for another 2 minutes. Empty the container and put it back. Rinse the water tank with drinking water. Then refill it with drinking water and reinsert it. Move the lever to the hot position. Wait until the water tank is half empty. Then move the lever back to the stop position. Now move it to the cold position. Wait until the water tank has emptied. Once again, move the lever back to the stop position. Remove the container. Put the drip tray back. Switch off Jovia. Next time you turn it on, the power button will be green. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for future use. Be careful of the water injector. Dry the inside of the head with a soft cloth. Rinse the capsule holder with drinking water. Dry and reinsert it. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Jovia.